Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page, watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, AUDUSD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are turning down. Okay, so these 2 red candles engulfed this blue candle. So this was the start of the new downtrend pullback, and we are going down. Coming back to daily chart, new downtrend pullback, and this is so again we are going down. Coming back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, we might take a pullback from the EMA. Okay, so this is your downtrend. Again, this is your new low. Pullback might happen until this EMA, and then we will continue going down. Okay, so in AUDUSD, you can take down another 65 pips. Okay, so I'm giving you the number. Coming back to daily chart, you can thank me later. Okay, so if you use your line, I think that's a line. So we are going for this there. Okay, so this is your support structure. I can use the box as well if you want. Where is my rectangle? That's your rectangle. Okay, that's the zone. So the price will touch this zone. So right now price is at 6566. It will easily come to this zone, reject it, or maybe cross it. The time will tell. Okay, so this is your next support level, and the price will come into this zone, and then either it will bounce off or it will just go below the support and break it. Okay, so time will tell, but you can easily take 60 pips in short in AUDUSD. And thank me later. Subscribe, like, join Telegram, and everything we have discussed in the beginning. Check out all the links, join brokers through me, and I'll see you in my next videos. If you don't do what I say, I'll stop making these videos. Okay, I'm giving you so much free money, you give me nothing. All right, so let's see for how long I will continue this doing for free. I'm doing this because the reason is very simple. I only trade daily chart. Okay, so I have taken couple of trades, and I have to wait for like 1 month now, and in 1 month I'm supposed to get like 700 pips in one trade. Okay, so a couple of trades I have taken just today. Obviously I can't tell you that. So 2 trades I have taken just today, and then I have to wait for 30 days for those trades to run through, and they're supposed to give me 1400 pips profit just in 2 trades. So the point being is, I'm making these videos because I'm free. It's not because you're giving me anything. Okay, so do your job. Otherwise people like me don't have to come and give this knowledge for free. Okay, so when I told you go and take 65 pips in AUDUSD, that is price action. If they manipulate dollar, that's not my responsibility. Okay, subscribe, like, join free Telegram, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.